Hey everyone, Grumpy Annie 32 with friends here, and I'm joined by Grumpy Jamie 3 and Hunter Lou. Wait, is it Hunter 24? Grumpy, if you first thing first, stop what you're doing. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the post. The bell, and go over to my friend's account called Grumpy Cameron 12 and subscribe to him. It would mean a lot to us, and it would make my day a lot happier, and I'll be happier than Bendy. So guys, what level are you on?
9.9. 7.9.
6.2%. Check wait up.
I'm on 7.9.
How do I do this level then?
Oh yeah.
Oh shoot. And also in the next video I'm going to give a shout out if anyone comments saying I want a shout out, please give it to me. And also, I can't use my skip because I used more easy.
Shout out me, please.
Huh?
Shout out me.
Who? Which one? Cameron?
Hey, Lewis.
Oh, Lewis. Yeah, but Lewis, you're in the video.
Yes, so.
There is the way that you guys can talk, but I don't know how. I'm not proper stuff.
No, what's saved?
Okay. Did.
What's it say?
Jamie's cheating. Damn it!
What stage you on?
65.
Shout out. You don't just go 20. You come.
I will make a video, just like to sort things out. Because I haven't made a video in a long time because I've been doing like a project, been doing about school, and it's a school holiday, so happy holidays to everyone who, ow! Just happy holidays to all. Ain't that right, Sammy?
I meant I'm on 8.3.
Oh, guys, can you just wait for me because I'm stuck? I'm glued to the table here.
I ain't glued to the table.
I put PVA glue on and then just stuck myself into it. Be like, damn it. Oh, guys, have you heard about the custom night of Five Nights at Freddy's Simulator? Freddy Fazbear Pizza Simulator? There's like, you know when Dee Dee, like, puts a new contestant in the ring? She adds, like, the characters from the old FNAF. Tell him! Stop! What you doing? Go lay down. Lay down. Oh my god, it's plus and times. Oh my god, my weakness. Maths! Nice. What? I'm only on 6.8. 12%? Jamie's cheating.
Is that?
No, he is.
I'm on 9%.
Guys, can you wait for me? I'm only on 6.8. Yeah. So I had trouble on the triangle thing, and I was about to rage quit. This happens a lot, guys. So.
Who was that? I don't know, but
Guys,
my name's so hot.
guys, you was on like I couldn't hear you, cause you'll see.
Yeah, because this identify number just rang my mum.
Oh, how do I do this level?
And if you need help, just ask. Hey, why don't you make a live stream and ask them for help?
No, I don't know how to do it on screen automatic.
Because then you'll have both sort of things on the screen now. I don't check in with the stick during this fight. You haven't out yet. Yeah, but it hasn't won yet. No. Because it always pops. Sometimes it picks back. Who? Annie, come and shout you out.
Thank you.
And then when I get you, I'm going to shout out everyone who I know. I didn't know. That's if they have a YouTube account or they're just very nice. Oh, I know someone we can shout out. Who? Our cousins. I'm going to shout out you, Annie. I'm going to shout out Cameron. Oh, no, I can even prove. It's all thanks to Annie. Annie?
Yeah.
I got a proper YouTube channel. If you didn't, proper family channel.
What did he say?
I'm happy. I think we always could, but we've just done it wrong.
Ow.
Yeah. Have you subscribed? Yeah. Can you get all your friends on it to subscribe to my channel?
I'll try. All we need to do is bug out Tia, bug out Bevo, and try bug out Zoe. Guys, can you speak into the microphone? People can't hear you properly because you.
It's going to be on YouTube. It's going to be in Annie's video. I'm pretty sure she'll want that. Annie!
What?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can, but at the moment I couldn't.
What?
What?
What? 14%?
What? What? Can we stop saying what? It's like a meme. No. Have anyone seen like the meme that Ugandan meme? It was annoying. It was annoying to people because it was on VR chat, and I want to get like one of those VR things.
Look in your fingers. Here it is. Anyway, I'm going off in a minute.
Why?
I've been going on a different game and I'm coming to make me feel better. Annie, you were there. With that, Annie, I'm just going to have a look at Cameron's video quickly.
Okay.
Annie, after I complete this stage, I'm not coming back on for a while.
Rip. That means I'm going to have to practice and just do videos on my own without you guys talking.
Do you know, Annie, I still talk every time in the video.
Jamie. Guys, you heard like a sneak peek of Grumpy Cameron's videos.
Mum wants to try and hit 50 million subscribers. subscribers?
I want to hit about 100.
I want to hit about, we'll get you about million, about 50, 100 million.
I want to try get like a silver play button.
Oh, Danny. I gotta go. Cam, gotta go to mini games.
Guys, I will join ya, but after it's a 15 minutes video, because all I have to do is do obbies and just hate my life because of bullying.
Don't become one.
Oh God!
I ain't got no iPhone.
Is that like the Barney thing? Because I like Barney.
Oh. I was watching
We're on like this epic minigame. Ow. 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 Guys, where are you? I can't see. Guys, I can't hear you. I can't. No. I can't hear you because it's too dark here. Right, I'm loading up. Oh God, I'm lagging. I am lagging.
I don't really see Princess.
Oh, hi guys. How are you?
Why you got your thing like that?
You're lucky. Jamie, help! Please leave for Bendy. I'm here.
Print, lock, fight.
I hope we're on the same team.
What is this, Cap?
I think it's where you fight. I can remember last time I was like the last person that I survived. Let's do this! Banana, nana, banana, nana. Get out of here! Ah! Don't hurt Funtime Freddy. Blue.
I want you mighty money. Do you want as well?
Oh God, I'm about to die. Can't stop. I'm about to die, guys. Help! I don't want to die. I'm going to commit suicide. I'm exhausted. Get out of here. Oh, that's so cool. Ah! I died. It's up to you guys.
Who's up to?
You. Probably. It's up to the blue team. I died. Jamie, you cheater.
What did you do?
He was climbing. He will, or else he will kill you. He will shout whoever leaves in his next video. Are you talking about me?
No,
No. Comes in. Destroy the statue. What? Do we have to like destroy our own statue or?
Turn it down. I don't like the sound.
I'm on the green one. I'm in with Cam. Jamie's not. Come on. Come on. Damn it! So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. I want to shout out. Oops. A shout out, and I will shout out to you. Guys, say bye. Okay, they say bye. Bye.